Legal dictation. Get ready. Start. Head Learned Counsel for the parties. Full stop. As this matter arises under the Excise Act, therefore the same has been placed before this court considering the roster determined by Honorable the Chief Justice. Full stop. The petitioner herein has challenged the order dated 19/11/2015 for confiscation of vehicle passed under Section 72(2) of the Excise Act by the District Magistrate, Rai Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, as also the order dated 3/3/2016 passed by the District Judge, Rai Bareilly. Full stop. An FIR under Section 60 R/W Section 72 of Excise Act and under Section 420, 467 and 468 IPC was lodged wide crime number 414/2015 at police station Bhadokhar. Full stop. On receipt of an information through Mukhbir about illegal liquor being carried in the offending vehicle belonging to the petitioner, the police party reached the spot in question where it was found that a white Tata Indigo was coming from the other side and stopped 100 meters ahead. Full stop. On reaching the vehicle, they found that there was no driver in the said vehicle. There was a huge quantity of liquor, bottles, etc., and the said intoxicant which was recovered by the police party was illegally being transported. Full stop. The case of the petitioner, that is the owner of the vehicle, is that his driver had taken the vehicle for his personal work. Full stop. His vehicle has been falsely implicated in the case because of political rivalry. Full stop. Such an amount of intoxicant recovered could not be possibly carried in such a small vehicle. Full stop. There was no independent witness and the vehicle was found driverless. Full stop. The driver has been bailed out in a criminal case which is still pending. Therefore, there is no jurisdiction for confiscation of the vehicle under Section 72 of the Excise Act or proceedings to put it auction as it would cause irreparable loss in the present criminal trial. Full stop. The case set up is found to be false. Full stop. The impugned order has been passed by the district magistrate mechanically without considering the aforesaid aspect of the matter. Full stop. Apart from the factual issue involved which cannot be adjudicated under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the proviso of subsection 2 of Section 72 states that in case of anything except on intoxicant or animal referred to in subsection 1, the owner thereof shall be given an option in lieu of its confiscation, such fine as the collector thinks adequate, not exceeding the market value on the date of its seizure. Full stop. Section 72 (1)(e) refers to every animal, cart, vessel, or other conveyance used in carrying such receptacle or package. Therefore, vehicle is covered under Section 72 and its proviso to subsection 2 thereof as referred to herein above. Full stop. The notice issued to the petitioner does not indicate any such option having been given to the petitioner to pay in lieu of its confiscation such fine as referred in the proviso to subsection 2 of Section 72 of the Excise Act. Full stop. The fact and circumstances of the case, the equities are balanced by ordering that if the petitioner deposits fine in terms of proviso to subsection 2 of section 72 of the Excise Act before the district magistrate concerned within 3 weeks. The vehicle in question shall be released in his favour, but without prejudice to the terms and conditions on which it has been released under the criminal code under the provisions of Code of Criminal Procedure. Full stop. The deposit of fine shall be subject to the result of the criminal trial. Full stop. If the petitioner does not deposit the fine, the impugned order shall remain in operation. Full stop. For a period of 3 weeks, no action shall be taken in respect of the vehicle in question against the petitioner. Full stop. The impugned order passed by the district magistrate is modified to this extent. Full stop. The writ petition is disposed of in the aforesaid terms. Full stop. Over. That is 624 624 वर्ड.